Hi there, students. Denouement. A noun, denouement. Okay, this is the final scene of a play or a film or a narrative where everything explained, where all the situations are resolved and everything is made clear. Well, not always is it made clear, but the denouement is the explanation, how things work out in the end. Normally in a film you have lots of exciting scenes and different things happen, but the denouement shows how all of this ends up. Normally with the denouement is the hero being victorious and the heroine falling into his arms in love with him. I don't know. But the denouement, how a film or something like that works out. In most films, the denouement takes place in the last 10 minutes. I like films that have an unexpected denouement. Yeah, there's a twist in the tale. The final bit is not actually what you thought it was going to be. Okay, so the denouement is the way a situation finally works out in the end. But notice, we don't have to use it just for plots and stories and literature. We can also use it for real life situations. So, for example, we still need to see the full denouement of the elections in the United States. I think most probably Mr. Biden's going to be inaugurated as president, but there's also an interesting question about what's happening in the Senate as well. And I think both of those things are going to be the final denouement of that. I wonder what the denouement of this COVID crisis will be. We're still in the middle of it, but I wonder how it's going to work out in the end. Are we going to live with this forever? Are we going to cure it and kill it completely? I don't know. So the denouement, the final scene, the outcome, the end result, the last act, the finale. Notice this word, finale. The finale is the final part of the final scene of a play or a show. The finale, the end part of some sort of show. Different from final. Finale has an E on it as well. Okay, so know the difference between these two. Okay, so let's see a couple more examples. You left the party and you didn't see the denouement. About 4 o'clock in the morning, the police arrived and they arrested everyone. That was a very unexpected denouement. I saw the beginning of the fight, but I didn't see the denouement of it. So I don't know how it worked out in the end. What happened? Maybe one of them was sent to hospital. Maybe the police arrived and arrested them. Maybe they made friends again. They went back into the bar and had a couple of drinks and decided to forget about it. All of those are different possible denouements for the situation. So next question, how formal is this word denouement? I would probably give it 7, maybe even 7.5 in formality. It sounds pretty posh. It's a pretty posh word. It sounds very artistic as well. I would not use denouement in an informal conversation in the pub. Use outcome. What happened in the end, finally, to end up, something like that. And then this word denouement is French. It's from French. Notice you can actually have an accent on the first D in English if you want to be a stickler for getting things absolutely right. So denouement from French, which comes from the word dénouer. Okay, nouer is knot. So denouer is to unknot, to untie a knot. Yeah, a knot, for example. You untie a knot. So you untie the knot that the plot has provided. So there you go. This is now the denouement of my video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Denouement.